Good day to all. In this particular video, we will be starting the detail of first kingdom, that is Kingdom Monera. Now, the sole members of Kingdom Monera are the bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms and these occur almost everywhere. These bacteria we can also find in extreme habitats, like there will be bacteria which will be present in hot springs. There will be bacteria in deserts, snow, as well as deep oceans. We can divide bacteria into four different parts and this division is on the basis of shape. The first type is called as coccus or cocky. In this, it will be singular and it will be plural. And these are the bacteria which are spherical in shape. So here we can see the first type. These bacteria are spherical and that is why these are coccus. The second type of bacteria are called as bacillus or bacilli. Bacilli will be the plural form and the shape will be rod shaped. So the second type, these are rod shaped bacteria. So these are the bacillus bacteria which are present. The third type is the Vibrium or Vibrio. Vibrio is the plural form and these bacteria are comma shaped. So we can see this shape, it is comma shaped and that is why it is an example of Vibrium type of bacteria. The fourth and last time is the Spirillum or Spirilla and these bacteria are spiral and this particular diagram is of Spirillum bacteria. So these were the four types based on the shape. Now, if we talk about the bacterial structure, the structure of bacteria is very simple, but if we talk of their behavior, then their behavior is very complex. And that is why if we talk about the metabolic activity of bacteria, then bacteria as a group show most extensive metabolic diversity. If we talk about metabolic diversity, broadly it can be of two types. Bacteria can be heterotrophs. Bacteria can as well be of autotrophs. Now, if we talk about the heterotrophs and autotrophs, then heterotrophs are in majority. Now, inside heterotrophs, there will be two types. The first will be saprophytes and the second will be parasites. Out of this saprophyte and parasites, saprophytes will be in majority. Now, the second type were the autotrophs, which were lesser in number. Autotrophs can as well be of two types. The first will be chemosynthetic autotrophs. These are also called as chemoautotrophs. Photosynthetic autotrophs, which are called as photoautotrophs. So, this is the metabolic diversity which is present in bacteria. Moving further to the groups that come under this particular kingdom, we can say that the first group will be Archaebacteria, the second group will be Eubacteria, and the third group will be Mycoplasma.